I'm trying not to say too much kasi medyo angry to.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga Zoobs! Araw sa inyo! For today's vlog mga Zoobs, tayo ay lunch or brunch sa baba. So nakaligo na ako. Naka-ready na yung mga bata. Kasi meron kaming bisita. Yung bisita namin is actually our ninang sa kasal ni Andy. And ang tagal na namin siyang hindi nakikita. Parang ano pa, before pandemic. Wait lang, may tumatawag. So, ayun nga. Sorry, may tumawag. Ninang namin siya sa kasal ni Andy. Huli namin siya nakita before pandemic pa. And she was based kasi sa US. But, you know, hindi ko na bibigay ng detalye. Basta ninang namin siya at matagal na namin siyang hindi nakakasama. And ngayon, dinalaw niya kami dito sa Hilton. At never niya na-meet si Mimi. Actually, nasa baba na si Mimi at nandyan na daw siya. Na-meet niya na. Ayan, hindi natin na-vlog kasi nag-aantay tayo dito sa taas dahil may mga inaasikasa pa akong errands. Ayan, kakapatay lang ng laptop ko. And naka-live pa ako sa Bigo dahil kulang pa ako ng 2 hours. Anyway, ito na. Bababa na kami ni Andy. Magtutoothbrush lang ako para makapag-breakfast na tayo doon. So, ayan mga Zoobs. See you! Mga Zoobs! Kakaligo ko lang ulit kasi nag-gym ako. Nag-gym din si King kaso lang nahilo siya kasi sinuot niya yung salamin niya. Umakyat siya ulit. Nahilo siya dahil ang tagal niya nang hindi sinusuot yung salamin niya. Naka-contact lens kasi yun na may grado. Mauubos na. Tapos hindi aabot pag umuwi siya hanggang next month. So kulang na yung contact lens kaya tinitipid niya. Yan tuloy, hindi siya nakapag-workout. But anyway, yung mga bata kaya tahimik. Nandyan sa may lounge, kumakain sila ng dinner. Ako nagda-diet ako kaya cottage cheese at saltine crackers lang yung kinain ko ngayon. And then, parang lunch ko pa lang to. Parang binaliktad ko today. Kasi kanina, ang breakfast ko medyo heavy. Meat ako with vegetables. Tapos, ito yung lunch ko. Supposedly, dapat cottage cheese and saltine crackers, which is yun ang kinain ko ngayon. Tapos, mamaya, dinner yung pang breakfast ko. So, yun. Diet. May time. Pero medyo pumayat na nga ako pag tinitingnan ko kasi nakakapag-workout na rin ako. Tapos, sinasabayan ko ng diet. So, hopefully, bago ko bumalik sa trabaho, fayat. Anyway, si Andy ay magpapagupit ngayon at ako magpapahinga lang ako with peace dahil mag-check lang ako dahil katapusan ngayon. Titignan namin kung mga kailangan ba ng tulong ng iba namin mga host sa Bigo. Ito, magpapagupit siya. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Sige, dalhin mo na to. Nasa Chrysostomos daw mami mo kasi nagde-dessert daw sila.
Okay. Alright, as Diana said, off to get a haircut because it's a tragedy. Right now my hair. Hey, I forgot the key pala. Wala akong key. How am I going to get back in the room? So I've got to go back to the room now. Ay. But yeah, I'm going to cut my hair and shave because we may hang out with some friends later. So I want to look a little bit maayos kasi ngayon sobrang scruffy ako.
What happened?
I've left the key. So, get the key muna. Good evening, guys. It's been quite a long day. It was really good to catch up with an old friend. Actually, she is our Ninang. And yeah, it's just always special to see people you haven't seen for so long. And she was actually one of the first people to hold Mimi during the pandemic. So it was nice. She gave kids a lot of gifts. And it's always good just to be around good people, good energy. So yeah, we're so happy to see you, Ninang. Thank you so much for visiting us here at the Hilton. And after my mum and sister went with them to Chrysostomos, they had something to eat, but Diana went to the gym and I had to rest and stay with the kids, Mona, just so that they would, you know, rest up a little bit, because we got up a little bit early today. So sometimes when we get up early, the kids end up sleeping quite early, so they need that sort of midday chill session where they can sort of recuperate their energy. But we're getting a little bit hungry right now, so we're thinking to get some Japanese food. Our family has just arrived, si Mami Eileen and the kids. It was a huge amount of traffic, sabi nila, so of course it's payday. That's probably why. But they're going downstairs to get some food now, and we're about to go out and get some Japanese, which I've been craving for the longest time. So, and we're planning to hang out with some friends, which is also nice. So we'll see how the night goes. We don't know where exactly we're going to be, but we know sort of roughly who will be coming out with us tonight. But, you know, some other people might join along the way, which would be good. But just here at the moment, waiting for everyone to rock up back to the hotel. But I can head out. I'm trying not to say too much kasi medyo angry to. But I'm ready, and Diana's downstairs, so yeah, we'll see you guys later.
I need time, just a little more time. I need time. I need time, just a little more time. One more time, one more time. I need time, just a little more time. I need time. I need time, just a little more time. Next to you. Next to you. Next to you. Look, can I get up next to you? Up in the middle with the night texting you. Sky's looking clear for the night set for two. Gotta mix a Henny with the Sprite, set the mood, set the mood, set the mood. Yeah, you're nice. You can have my heart, just name the price. Trying to get a grip, you became my vice. Need a piece of your love if you save the slice. Okay, should come around my way. I've been trying to make you bae. That's just something I should say. I'm like, okay, should come around my way. I've been trying to make you bae. That's just something I should say. And I'm like, I need time, just a little more time. I need time. I need time, just a little more time. One more time. Next to you.
Mga zoobs! O, diba? Pag nasa labas ka na talaga at nag-e-enjoy ka, nanganganak yung gusto mong gawin. So kami, pagkatapos namin mag-dinner, may konting event na nag-tugs pa kami sa Revel. Namu, hindi ko nga alam bigkasin. Parang I'm not really familiar sa mga ganong lugar lately. Pero nag-enjoy naman kami ni Andy. Pero maaga lang din kaming umuwi. Na hindi usual kapag talagang... Uy! Excuse me! Kapag hindi literal na gumigimik ka. So, nag-enjoy naman kami. Happy naman kami at nailabas namin si Sammy dito for the first time. Di ba? First time yun. Kasi we don't really go out here sa Manila dahil alam niyo na medyo careful din tayo and hindi na yun yung mga gusto mo pag nandito ka na sa ganitong edad. So, yun. Nag-enjoy naman kami. Mga zoobs, maraming salamat sa panonood ng ating vlog for today dahil tomorrow naman ulit tayo magkikita. See ya!